are a brand new beginner, you have no skills, no money, no followers, then this is going to be the best method to make your first $100. Also, I will share with you a free traffic source to get fastest and unlimited high quality traffic in just 1 week. So I divided the whole strategy into 5 step-by-step process. Step 1 is pick a particular niche in which you are interested in and you are passionate about. Also, you can easily find high quality and high ticket products in that niche. Then you need to choose a sub niche within your niche. This is a trick to get less competition. I'll give you an example. There are 3 evergreen niches: health, wealth and relationship. Suppose you choose health niche. It's a very broad niche. Then you need to choose a sub niche like weight loss, fitness, yoga, weight gain. Then to eliminate more competition, you need to niche down one step further. If you choose weight loss, you can subcategorize into weight loss for men, weight loss for women, weight loss for working entrepreneurs. Also, you don't need to stick only these 3 niches. If you are passionate about any other niche in this world like fashion, pets, gardening, clothing, you can choose that niche also. There are a lot of people that makes huge amount of money in weird niches because of less competition. Then in step 2, after choosing a profitable niche, find high ticket products that pays you high commission, $1,000, $2,500 on every single sale. Also, you can promote recurring products that pays you commission every month without spending extra dime or without sending extra traffic. It's good if you have a combination of both high ticket products and recurring products. And I would not tell you to go to Clickbank, grab your affiliate link and start promoting it, because it's a failed model. You are not going to make money with that model. To find high quality product, just simply search on Google, type your niche plus high ticket affiliate program. You will get the list of all the high ticket affiliate program out there in your niche. Then you can choose any high ticket affiliate program from that list. Another thing you can do is make a list of 30 to 50 influencer, successful people or entrepreneurs in your niche, and find if they have any high ticket product or affiliate program that you can join. If you don't find their affiliate program, what you can do, you can message them on Facebook or Instagram and you can tell them you are interested in promoting their product and ask them how you can promote their products. Now I am going to share with you 3 secrets to choose high quality products that you don't need to sell people already ready to buy your product. You need to look into 3 things, and third is going to be a game changer. First is that industry should be growing exponentially. For example, e-learning industry. Second is there should be high in demand for that product or service you are going to promote. Third, that no one going to tell you. That company should allow you to tap into their ecosystem so that you can make multiple passive commission with the other products that company have. After choosing high ticket product, 95% of the people promoting it in a wrong way. All the gurus told you to build sales funnels and email lists, but that's not enough. That is transactional. You are not going to make big money with that model. If you want to build a $1 million business, you have to do something different, something unique. And that's what I am going to share with you, a brand new $1 million hub model that no one is doing. So after choosing great products, build your hub on the internet. You must heard about hub model first time. It's a brand new model that no one is doing. What you supposed to be a hub? It's your home on the internet. I will show you my hub so that you will understand better. But before that, I want to tell you why do you need a hub. If you have your own hub, then you own the system, you control your business. Otherwise, you will completely depend on the social media platform and they can deactivate or ban your account anytime whenever they want to. And that happened with a lot of people every day. suddenly everything becomes zero. Their sales, their revenue, follower, they have to start everything from scratch. Or what if the product owner decide not to sell that product you are promoting anymore for whatever reasons, and that will going to affect your business very badly. But if your business build on hub based model, then you are not going to depend on any third party. You become independent and you control your business. You can see here, this is my hub. This is how a hub look like. All the successful entrepreneurs like Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, Gary Vee, they work with this hub based model. All these marketers have their own hub. Now I am going to tell you how this hub model works. Suppose this is your hub and there are funnels that you are promoting. All your funnels will be connected to your hub. You can see on my hub, this is one of the funnel that I am promoting and it is connected to my hub. When people click on this link and register for the webinar, after watching, if they buy, I will get paid. Not just this, I am building email list also by giving them a free course, because email list is going to be the biggest asset for your business. Also, I will share with you a smart strategy how you are going to sell with emails without being salesy or being pushy. I can also add multiple products on my hub on the resources page by collaborating with the great companies out there in the market. So I am not going to make money with just one product. I am creating multiple streams of income for my business without creating any product, without spending an extra dime, so that I can make multiple commission passively. So with your hub, you can also build your community, your brand, can connect with your audience, also can build multiple streams of income by promoting multiple products without spending an extra dime. Once you set up your system after building your hub, the only thing you need to do is send high quality traffic consistently to your hub. Also, I am going to share with you a free traffic sources that are trending nowadays to get fastest and unlimited free high quality traffic in just 1 week. But there is a warning for you. Don't create content just for seeking content. Your goals should be to generate leads and sales from the content that you are creating. And the fastest traffic source is short video content that is trending on all over the platform nowadays. I also tried Facebook Reels for just 1 week and I got 7,000 plus views on my Reels in just 1 week. So even if you have a small account or you just started, you can also get thousands of views on your Reels. But you need to follow a right strategy for that. If you use Reels strategically, then you can get unlimited high quality traffic for free. Now I am going to share with you 2 strategies to create viral reels. First of all, make a list of 15 to 20 popular people in your niche and model their popular reels according to your niche and audience, because those reels are already going viral. People already liked it to watch those type of videos. So if you make similar type of videos but related to your niche and your audience, so there is higher chances that your reel can go viral. Now if you don't follow the strategy that I am going to tell you, you will not able to create viral reels. First of all, stop creating content that everyone can agree with. It has no chance to go viral. Think about it. When was the last time you see a viral video about 3 tips to improve marketing? That's boring. Use a contrary hook that is different from normal situation. Your opening line should be something so shocking that people stop scrolling on your reel. You can see this reel, it got 1.3 million views because it has a contrary hook that is different from normal situation. And that hook is dropshipping is the worst side hustle. There can be a simple and boring hook for this video. It can be like, you should not start dropshipping. Dropshipping is bad. You will not going to make money with it. But no one is going to be interested in those simple and boring hooks. And the hook he uses in this viral video that is different from normal situation, that is contrary. that stop people to watch this reel. Also, it's very important to provide content in the reel that justify your hook. Also, don't forget to add a call to action at the end of your video. Now, there is a bonus tip for you. You can hop into trending songs and sounds, but only if that make relevant to your audience and your niche. And if you want to get faster result, post 3 to 5 reels every day. If not possible, post at least 1 reel per day consistently for 30 days. And don't get demotivated if you are not getting views in just starting. Use the strategies that I told you above and keep posting your reels. You will definitely going to get results. And you can repurpose these videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and can drive more traffic with just one piece of content. Also add a lead magnet in your bio to build email list. In the next step, I will tell you how you can build email list and how you can promote with your hub. So next step is build your email list. If you are not building your email list, you are not doing a real business. Your email list is your biggest asset. If you don't know how to build an email list, create a lead magnet, any training, ebook, free courses, anything valuable that you want to give to your audience to grab their emails, and create a landing page. Put the link of that landing page on Facebook or Instagram, whatever traffic source you are using to build your email list. Now you are not going to make that mistake that most of the people are doing. After building email list, what most of the people do, they slam their email list by sending them offers and product again and again, over and over. If you do this, people will ignore your emails or they just unsubscribe. So you are not going to make money with this method. Instead of slamming them with the products to buy again and again, keep them engaged by sending people to your hub. Whenever you post any content on YouTube or any social media platform, send email to your list and bring back those people to your hub. When people come to your hub, they can check out the free trainings you have, the funnels you are promoting, and the other offers. And that's how you are going to make money without being salesy or being pushy. And instead of getting conversion rate 1 or 2% with the other models, you are going to get conversion rate of 15 to 20% with this hub based model. Now, only knowing about strategy is not enough if you don't have any high quality, high ticket products to promote. So click on this video to find 9 unique high ticket affiliate programs that you never heard before and that going to pay you $7,000 commission with just one single sale.